Yes, Aditya, in today's class, we'll see about the Fourier series. What we have to do in the Fourier series. Actually, what is the Fourier series means? It's very interesting topic and it's a very easy also. It's going to deal with only one formula, one and only one formula. The functions, whatever they have given, just you have to find a naught, an and bn. And after that, you have to replace back to the Fourier series formula, where your Fourier series it's going to divide it into the some intervals. You're going to see the problems mostly based on minus pi to pi and 0 to pi, and next it will be 0 to 2 pi. The maximum that intervals are going to be in this scale only, where when they are asking to find the Fourier series under this interval, then you're going to check whether the function is going to be fall in the even function or odd function. You're going to check whether the function is even or odd. If it is even, if it is even, then you're going to find only a naught and an, both the terms you're going to find. If it is odd, only bn you're going to find with, and minus pi to pi, only bn. If the function is odd function, how you're going to decide the function is odd and how the function is even? When you are replacing, how you're going to declare it is even function? Replace x with minus x in given function. In given function, if it's coming f of minus x, again it's getting revert back the same thing what the function is given, then it will falls under the even function. In the same case, when you're replacing x with minus x in the given function, and it's providing you as minus f of x is equals to minus of f of x, then you are going to find only bn function. For even function, when you're going to check this concept, when the given interval from minus pi to pi, where for 0 to pi, if it is asking you to find the half series, the half series is going to fall in 0 to 2 pi only. Whether it's going to be half cosine series, if they will mention whether you have to find half range cosine series or half range sine series or half range sine series, then you are going to find here a naught and an, and here only bn. What is the function for this one? When you are going to for this and for even, I will write it as a down, then it's better, I think so. One I can write for odd and for sine series. Your function is going to be f of x. F of x is equals to summation n is equals to 1 to infinity bn into sine nx, where your bn, where your bn formula, where bn is equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into sine nx into dx. This will get changed to, this will get changed to 2 by pi integrating 0 to pi f of x into sine nx into dx. When your function is odd and sine nx is odd, odd into odd will become as an even. Due to that reason, This 1 by pi, it's getting changed to 2 by pi integrating 0 to pi f of x sine nx into dx. When the function is even, when it is even function, when it is even and half range cosine series when they are asking, then you have to find f of x is equals to summation n is equals to 0 to infinity. This also has to be 0 to infinity, not 1 to infinity. 0
Ma'am,
to,
this is a cosine, ma'am, half range cosine even function, right?
yes, yes. Then here you're going to be a naught plus, one second, I'm writing wrong. A naught, because it's a even, no? A naught by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. One second, let me clarify. It is summation, it's 1 to infinity or 0, 1. It will be 1 only. This also has to be 1 to infinity, not 0. It's equals to 1 to infinity. When your function is even function and half range cosine series, then you are have to find a naught and a n. Where your n, that formula, your series formula will be f of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. Where a naught, where your a naught is going to be 1 by pi integrating 0 to pi f of x into dx. This will get changed to 2 by pi because the function is even. So we'll use that property minus a to a. When the your limits in opposite direction, it will get changed to 2 by pi integrating 0 to pi f of x into dx. And your and an is equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. This will get changed to 2 by pi integrating 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx, where that the standard formulas are there. Cos n pi value is equals to minus 1 to the power of n, and your sine n pi value is equals to 0. This only the most formulas we are going to use in this integration part. And your uv function integration by Bernoulli's integration, sorry, Bernoulli's integration by parts. When they are asking the limits from 0 to 2 pi, then all you have to find, you have to find a naught, you have to find, you have to find an and bn. This completely you have to find. If the function when you are minus a pi to pi, if it's not false neither even nor odd, then all the functions you have to find. When it is falling not even not even odd also, then all you have to find. If the function when the limits minus pi to pi intervals, and the function mm, either belongs to even function nor odd function, then in that case, then in that case all the three values you have to find. Then complete Fourier series you have to find, where complete Fourier series is equals to f of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity a n into cos nx plus bn sin nx, where your a naught, where a naught is equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into dx. This is a naught, no? F of x into dx. Then next will be an. An formula is equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx into dx, and your bn it's equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into sine nx into dx. This is your main formula. F of x, this is the main formula. Your Fourier series, completely Fourier series. F of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus bn sin nx. Then where your a naught formula is equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into dx. Then your an is equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Bn is equals to 1 by pi integrating minus pi to pi f of x into sine nx. In the first half of the series, you are going to deal with this only, minus pi to pi, 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi. Then when it is in this interval, first you are going to check by replacing your x with minus x. If it's reverting back the same thing, the given function, then only you have to find a naught and an value, where your series occur. Your series will get occur change to this only. Bn will be 0 your here. So your series will be f of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity an into cos nx. When you are finding where your a naught will get changed to 2 by pi integrating minus 0 to pi f of x into dx. Bn is equals to 2 by pi integrating 0 to pi f of x into cos nx into dx. Even for cosine, even for half range cosine series also, for half range for cosine series also, you are going to find a naught and an. When the function is falling under odd function, when you have to check when the interval is from in the opposite direction, the values are same but it's from negative to positive, in that case only you are going to check for odd and even function. When it is falling in the odd function or it's as a sine series, then only you have to find your bn. The bn formula is going to be f of x is equals to summation n is equals to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, where your bn is equals to 2 by pi integrating 0 to pi f of x sin nx into dx. And when it is neither a odd function nor as an even function, then you complete, you have to find a naught, you have to find an, you have to find, and bn you have to find. Is it clear, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am. Can I just copy it now?
Yeah, sure. I have to scroll from starting. Then even I will say you that the next half also. Let you finish on this one. From starting you have to
Yes.
copy.
Yes, ma'am.